Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to continue with fold and crochet the head of the dog. To crochet the head, you must undo some stitches to move toward the center of the back. We start the head from the center of the back. And now start to make one single crochet and one increase for 6 times. One single crochet and one increase. For the increase, you crochet 2 single crochets in one stitch and do this pattern for 6 times. Okay, in the next round, make 2 single crochets and 1 increase. And follow this pattern until you make 9 single crochets and 1 increase, and you have 66 single crochets for the head. I'll see you when you have made 9 single crochets and 1 increase for 6 times. Okay, after making 9 single crochets and 1 increase, you will have 66 single crochets and then make 6 rounds of 66 single crochets. Then in this round we want to make the place of the eyes, so make single crochets until you reach the front side. Okay, I made 22 single crochets. Now make 2 chains, skip 2 single crochets from the previous round and make 9 single crochets. And then again make 2 chains, skip 2 single crochets from the previous round and continue to make single crochets. Now continue to make 7 rounds of 66 single crochets. Here when you reach the chains, make 2 single crochets in one loop of the chains. Again, continue to make single crochets. And do the same on the other chains. In this way, you can form the position of the eyes. Okay, when you finish making 7 rounds of 66 single crochets, now insert the safety eyes into the head. Now to embroider the eyes, I have used alizative black color and insert the needle here and start to embroider the eyes. fill the head with fiber, and here in this round you start to decrease the stitches. Start to make 9 single crochets and 1 decrease for 6 times. 8, 9 and 1 decrease. For the decrease, we crochet 2 front loops together and continue this pattern for 6 times. In the next round, make 8 single crochets and 1 decrease for 6 times, and follow this pattern until you make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease for 6 times and finish their head. As you are making this round, you must fill the head with fiber very tightly. See you when you have made 1 single crochet and 1 decrease for 6 times. Okay, when you finished making 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, fill the head with fiber very tightly and then cut the yarn and finish the head. Okay, then needle this extra yarn and pass it through 1 loop of the single crochet. So we have 2 loops here. Pass the yarn in a spiral way through the front loops. And then pull the yarn and close the head. Then hide this extra yarn inside the head. Okay, to crochet the ears, first make 5 single crochets in the magic ring. Okay, then close the magic ring and mark the last stitch. Now make 5 increases. So you make 2 single crochets in each stitch for 5 times. Then make 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 5 times. And single crochet and 1 increase. Do it for 5 times. In the next round, make 15 single crochet. So you make 1 single crochet in each stitch. 3. Okay, then fold these 2 parts and hide this extra yarn inside. Fold these 2 parts and make 7 single crochets and join these 2 parts together. Then cut the extra yarn and leave a long tail because we want to sew it to the head. Then put it in the appropriate place and sew it here. Then hide this extra yarn inside the head. This way you pass the yarn through the stitches and then pull it and cast. Okay, this is how you can form the ears of the dog.